Oh yes, I have unboxed so many things here on this channel, but this is a special one. This, I got it from YouTube for reaching 100,000 subscribers on this platform, and I couldn't be happier to unbox the silver play button together with you. This is a super special moment, so thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and for loving it, for enjoying all the content that I've been giving you in the last years. Oh my goodness, this channel has been around for such a long time already, and yeah, this, honestly speaking, is one of the original channels. It started just with the very beginning of this whole consumer VR, not YouTube, VR stuff, right? And it's still going strong until now, and now this whole VR thing is finally going to start, right? To really kick off like a rocket, hopefully. But enough talking, let's finally do this. Let's unbox this. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video because all of this goodness is coming up. And also for this video I have to do it. Glad that you're back. My name is Sebastian, and if you are excited about VR, you should absolutely subscribe to this channel like more than 100,000 people have done, and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything, like for example the unboxing of the next play button. Is it gold or what is it? I don't know. Anyways, let's unbox this. So this is how the silver play button from YouTube arrives at your doorstep. Looks quite banged up, but well, it is important what's inside, and hopefully that's not banged up. Let's do this. And yes, so we don't see it directly, but let's check out what's beneath this. Oh, it's a letter. Nice. It's a letter from YouTube. My first real letter from YouTube. And let's have a look here. All right. I think that's nice. I think that's really cool that they write this and gives it a very personal touch. Nice. And here it is. The silver play button. Recognize your team. Yeah, so the next one is gold. Good. I'm going to work hard to get it. And now, the most amazing unboxing ever. Here it is. Wow. Yeah, and that's me. Oh, wow. Presented to MRTV, Mixed Reality TV, for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. Wow. I am loving it. So nice. It looks really, really beautiful. I'm in awe. Thanks for being here. Really. Alright, so here it is. The silver play button for MRTV. Yes! Mixed Reality TV. I am so happy to have it, and again, I'm grateful that you're here. I'm grateful that you enjoy the stuff that I make, and I can just say, like, wow, it has been a long way, but I loved every part of the way. Okay, not probably every part. It was lots of work and thousands of videos until now, right? It was more like the brute force attempt at YouTube. But I'm glad that you're here, and I can just tell you, well, I started this whole YouTube thing because I wanted to tell the world about my passion for VR. I wanted to tell people about it, make them understand what's amazing about it, and well, I do believe that I have succeeded with that part, and I'm still doing it, and I want to keep on doing it. Right, so yeah, and again, MRTV has started as this channel, as this independent channel, and I'm going strong with it. This is not the Meta fanboy channel, the Pico fanboy channel, the Pimax fanboy channel, the Big Screen Beyond fanboy channel. This is the home of the VR enthusiasts, the VR fanboys. Any kind of VR fanboy, you are welcome here because, well, we are a tribe, right? We are crazy VR enthusiasts, and if Meta makes the most amazing thing, we're going to celebrate them for it. If Pico does it, if If HTC even does it, we are going to celebrate them for giving us what we want, the next best headset. And guess we're gonna find it here on MRTV. I will check it for you. I will keep on doing what I'm doing, and I'm excited about it. So yeah, wow. So cool. I'm so happy to have made it this far, and yeah, we're going to go strong from here. As you know, the next stage of this, first of all, we're gonna keep on doing what we're doing here on MRTV. There's no question about it. And I will grow this channel. It's not going to be me. It's not just gonna be Sebastian that is MRTV. I'm going to grow a team because I simply cannot like cover everything alone. It's going too crazy here, you know, with this whole XR thing. This is going to take off. Next year is going to be crazy with the Apple Vision Pro, Pico 5, all the other headsets that are coming out. It's going to go crazy. I am so sure of that. Yep. Also, the next thing that I'm working on is Try My Tech. So you, the VR enthusiast out there, you have the chance now, just like me, to spread the word. So you have this most amazing play space. You have that most amazing motion rig or whatever, you know. And well, you want to show it to other people. You also want to spread the word, and you can do that on Try My Tech. That is my next big thing. And I hope it's going to be a big thing in this VR enthusiast community that we have built here on MRTV. So go to Try My Tech and sign up and show the community your amazing, your amazing play space, your amazing headsets, and spread the word. And that would be amazing. Amazing. I say amazing a lot in this video, right? Yeah. So that is also what I want to do with MRTV and Try My Tech. Just spread the word. Let people understand how amazing VR is and let them try it on Try My Tech. So you see, this whole thing is like a wholesome thing. That's a wholesome thing. If you love it and if you want to be part of this, go to the MRTV Discord server. This is where this tribe meets and discusses cool stuff. So I would be super happy to see you there on the MRTV Discord server. The link down in the description of this video. And now I want to hear from you. When did you find this channel? When did you find MRTV? Which headset were you researching? And which headset did you buy because of me? Please tell me in the comment section. As you can tell, this is truly a bit emotional for me. Since, you know, I stopped my normal work. I'm an engineer, right, to do this crazy YouTube thing. And it turned out, even though after years, it has been the right decision and I can finally say it like this. So yeah, for me this really means a lot. Yes, and that's it for this video. I can't wait to make more videos for you, and I'm happy that you love them. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Subscribe to this channel so that we can get to 200,000 faster. And this means a lot to me. You mean a lot to me. Let's keep on exploring XR. Let's keep on checking out the next best device, which will for sure be here on MRTV. That's everything that I got for this video. Until next time, bye bye.